Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide apps on iPhone. So, the easiest method to hide apps from your iPhone is to go ahead and press and hold the app icon from your app drawer. After you do that, click on Remove App and click on Remove from Home Screen. Right after you do that, the app stays in your app library but disappears from your home screen. In order to find the app, go ahead and swipe all the way towards the left and you will open up your app library section. Here, you will be able to find the app that you have just hidden. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to hide apps on your iPhone. Whether you want to keep things private or just tidy up your screen, this trick will give you total control over your app visibility. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and comment down in the comment box below if you have any questions. I'll be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.